been called to follow Christ. We have to preach, we have to teach, we have to fight. So where you lead me, I will go. Gospel is by your strength, I will go. I will go. I will go. Who will go for us? I will go. I will go. I will go. Here am I, send me, Lord, I will go. Because my eyes in the King, I must tell all the world worship Him. In all the nations, in all the world, where you send me, yes, I will go.